Sam's bus of the day. Got a sister and all her friends and mom waiting on him. You have it. Sam's waiting. Oh, is that Cindy? Cindy? Yeah. We got another driver that we've had before, Cindy. Bring that butt in more. Everybody's always like, oh, I'm sorry. It's like, no, we've got about 24 years experience on you. Yep. It does. Good job, Kimmy. Thank you. Yeah, right back there by the wheel. There you go. All right. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. Thank you, Cindy. Okay, Sam, you're all by yourself.
Right here. I'm watching y'all.
Cindy's getting them all strapped in. We had the girls this morning, fresh from their
Night out.
night out.
See the time pictures?
No, I'll take a look at it. Okay, so we got Sam getting off. People love this. They just want to watch him getting them off. Oh, Lindsay Joe's got him, huh?
Lindsay vetoed me.
Huh?
Lindsay vetoed me.
She vetoed you?
Yeah, she said, I got him.
Aww.
I said, that's fair.
Get that dirty dog.
It's okay. I would have hit him again.
Cindy did a great job with that one lady scooter. Get his brakes. It's funny, the first few seasons we were here, he'd go ow to that loud sound, and it was just joking about it. People would look at us like, what are you doing making that, you know, and it's like, no, he's kidding. Okay, here we are, off to Epcot. Thank you, Cindy. Off to Epcot for the day. Here's where we're going for lunch. Sam gets to ride an elevator. We're going to go to outer space. Right, Sam? Sam's going to go to outer space and have a little snack and a drink. Hey, you got to push him so I can film. we go. Thank you now. This is the elevator as we leave Earth.
Gather diagnostics. Go. Magnetic field. Go. Gravity generator. Go. It's Epcot Station. This is Centauri Control. Checklist is complete. You are confirmed. Go for departure. Stand by for liftoff.
Don't you drop that.
Welcome aboard this elevator.
I think you
In
dropped
just
it.
a few moments, you'll be on your way up to Space 220 aboard the Centauri Space
I think it's over
Station.
there on the floor.
Enjoy the ride.
Over there, way over behind that
Aircraft be
jump.
ready to launch?
See it? Okay. Samuel Morgan.
You're riding aboard the Mark V
There we go.
elevator.
Going
The
outer
latest
space. Space station to our restaurant.
Today, you'll have a spectacular view of Florida and the eastern seaboard. Enjoy the ride. I'll be back in a bit with arrival information.
There's no up too.
SB2, we're on our final approach.
See, there's Florida.
If you look above, you'll see Centauri Space Station coming into view.
There's the
Once
space
again,
station. Want
gather
you
your
for?
belongings and exit through the open airlock. A Space 220 agent will be waiting for you.
SB2 cleared for arrival.
Okay. We'll have our snack and a drink. Cool. Lock it into the space station. Okay, we got done with our thing and we're headed out. Okay, back to the elevator. Said bottles of wine.
Yeah, they said that you can get like here, you get a wine chest like this.
I didn't realize that. Bottles of wine. We wouldn't let Sam have any though for. That's not like real, is it? Food? Hey, that's not like real food, is it? I don't think so. Okay, we gotta go back to the elevator to Earth. We gonna make it?
Yeah, we can wait for the next one if you wanted to.
You wanna wait for the next one? Okay. Okay, we're going back to Earth now.
20, running systems check. Energy grid, go.
Let's see when they let us go what they're doing.
Tether diagnostics, go. Magnetic field, go. Gravity generator, go. Centauri lift control, checklist is complete. You are confirmed, go for departure. Stand by for descent to Epcot. Roger, stand by.
Welcome back. Watch your step as you enter this elevator. We will be on our way shortly.
SV2, you are cleared for departure. Initiating descent in 3, 2, 1.
Your journey back to Epcot will be a smooth and quick one today. So enjoy the ride.
Okay, we're taking off.
You can see that one get farther away. Fire Space 220. Fire Space 220. You'll miss you. This is gonna be fast. This is way faster than that.
Epcot is now coming into view. When we knock, gather your belongings, exit through the open airlock, and watch your younger travelers.
SV2, cleared for arrival.
See back over there, close that up.
I'm not close.
On that note, we're
We hope
back
you
on
enjoyed
Earth.
your visit.
There it is in the background.
Like you walk up to
It
the
says Old Key West. You can see the bus coming. Sam, your bus is coming, buddy. Hey,
I mean, I've been here with
Look
like,
up.
Jamie and other people, and I've been standing here for like
Hey,
30 minutes and no
it's Dad.
buses.
Look up. Your bus is coming. It's going to come right around the corner here in a second.
I didn't-
There it is, Old Key West. This is it, buddy. Okay. Okay, Sam. Oh, that's loud. Everybody's got to get off. You're supposed to go the other way. There we go. There you go, buddy. Okay, you ready? Yeah, from a park. We'll get you there tomorrow. Oh, you got a picture of Aladdin? Oh, that's a good one, isn't it? That's a nice skin. I wish they'd do all of them that way, to be honest with you. It's so artistic. Oh, there we go. All right, buddy. Oh, that's a crazy beat. Okay, Mama. Come up there, Mama. Oh,
Does it matter which way? We're stopping at Turtle Pond. Does it matter which way you load or? Do you have a preference when you're loading us? Because we're from Turtle Pond. I don't know where they're from, but does it make it easier one way or the other? Or just...
it's up to you, Rena. Okay. Good question, though, Mama. Get it straight. There you go. There you go. Okay.
That's what I was wondering. It'd just be easier to...
Got it kind of weighed down, so Mom's going to take a few things off. Mom's quite proud of herself. Way to go, Mama. Mom says, I did it. I did it. Okay, Sam. You're all by yourself now. Rena's got you. Thank you. All right, buddy. See you when we're getting off. Oh, we have to add. We're going to be heading back today, but we need to give a shout out to Caden and Natasha and Paul, a wonderful family from Winnipeg we met in the park today. And we want to give them a shout out. We wish them to enjoy the rest of their time here at Disney, and it was wonderful meeting them. We look forward to wonderful conversations and communications with them in the future. But good luck, guys, and have a wonderful vacation, okay?
Bazinga!
Okay, here we are, back at the... Rena's got it. Rena's got it under control. Here's Sammy. Last bus ride of the day. Home again, jiggity jig. Look at Mom just turn that around. A little bit more, Mom. We got it, it's coming. Good job. Thank you, Reina. All right. Yep, we got it. Okay, there we go. That's a loud one. Boy, that's a different beeper on that one, isn't it, guys? Okay, home for the day. Another fun day at the parks. We're at Epcot. What do you say, Sam? You want to sign off? On that